Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my February thank you notes. Aren't they cute? So we're using the Balmy Blue, which is the one we're going to make today, Highland Heather, the Lemon Lime Twist, Grapefruit Grove, and then the Daffodil Delight. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. The Whisper White piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Then your Balmy Blue is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. Whisper White again is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then a piece of the Gingham Gala designer paper, which is cut at 2 by 2 1/4. Let me show you these colors again. These are the colors that I picked for the whole inspiration of my thank you notes. And this designer paper currently is on back order, and it shows to be in the warehouse around the February 18th. So I'm so sorry for the back orders. The punch, also the butterfly duet punch that we're using for today's thank you notes, are also on back order. So the bundle is not available currently because of the punch. So the punch shows estimated delivery to the warehouse is around April 1st. And then the bundle will be available. But the stamp set that we're using, the Butterfly Gala, is still available. It's just not available in the bundle or the punch until after April 1st. Again, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some stamping. I'm going to use the Memento ink, and we're going to stamp the butterflies, and of course the bodies of the butterflies, and then the greeting, which says, "The good things in life are better with you." Just going to grab some Whisper White. So let me go ahead and stamp the greeting first. Now the butterflies are attached, so it lines up perfectly in the punch. Okay, so we're going to stamp the body. Okay, all right, now let's grab our Stampin' Blends. I'm using the Balmy Blue, and we're using the combo pack, and this is the dark and the light. We're going to start with the dark. And once again, I'm going to start in the center of the butterfly and work my way out. So beautiful. All right, let's grab our butterfly duet punch. Punch out the butterflies. Next, we're going to grab our 1 3/4 circle punch, punch out the greeting. And then for the center part of the Balmy Blue, we're going to punch out the 2-inch circle with that, because this is going to get covered up anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and use that. All right, so let's go ahead and layer all our pieces together. Okay, so for my butterfly, I'm going to use the mini dimensionals. Put one in the center. And then we're going to pop this up onto the greeting right about here. Now, the little one, I haven't decided yet if I'm going to be adding these to the front or to the inside. I haven't decided yet, but my customers will find out before anybody else. So, but I did think that since we were punching out the small butterfly anyway, we might as well use it on the thank you note. All right, so let me bring in the other colors again. So here's the Highland Heather, the Grapefruit Grove, Daffodil Delight, and then the Lemon Lime Twist. Aren't they beautiful? Now this one I used the small check on this side, but I used the larger check on those. So cute. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the products listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.